style, fake smile, watch a grin. We shoot first, the place while shot a grim. Ground plate, leather seat, papa rim. Black braid, another brain, got a brick.
What is up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get our nails done, bitch. Well, actually just my toenails. I'm just gonna get gel polish. So right here I have the little gel polish sampler, and I'm just, gonna choose my color. I was thinking that I wanted something like super bright and, that would really stand out. I'm a pink kind of girl, so I was really looking at, I think this third palette here, this one. So yeah, I went ahead and chose my color, and then this ghetto salon that I go to, you guys, the guy is so nice though. He always puts my foot on top of his little trash bin, which is super wretched, but he gets the job done, and he has his little son and everything, and his wife always at the salon, so I try to support their family business. So anyways, guys, he's just taking off my old color, which I think I had a red or something, but yeah, he's just using the e-file to take off the color that I previously had on there, and so I can get the fresh color. I didn't get a pedicure this time because I don't really like to get pedicures all the time. I'm very I don't really like the idea of using the same tools as everyone and stuff like that, so I don't get pedicures as often as I used to. I used to actually get them every week, and then every 2 weeks. Now maybe 1 month, or now sometimes I'll get pedicures every 2 or 3 months and just change my gel polish. So that's a tip for you guys as well. Yeah, so guys, he's just taking off the polish and evening out my nails and everything. I think he was actually taking off a piece of old acrylic. Yeah, I told him I don't want the acrylic anymore because I just kind of want to let my nails breathe a little bit. So he took the acrylic off for me, and that's what my toes look like without anything on them besides a bunch of dust. So now he's just doing the other foot and taking off the polish, the old gel polish as well. I only get gel on my toes so far, but I think I'm gonna start going back to regular, because sometimes when I'm at home I just want to take it off for a few days. So it would be super easier for me to do that, So yeah, guys, here again, I'm not sure what he's doing. I'm even zooming into, I think that's that little skinny file where they just kind of get the cuticles. Yeah. So even though I didn't get a pedicure, you guys can see he's really hooking me up. He's really cleaning up my cuticles. Excuse me, and my nail bed and everything. Excuse me, guys, because sometimes when you tell them you just want to change your gel polish, then they just fucking zoom, take it off, put it back on. They don't take any attention, but I really like the way that my friend here, this guy, he really pays attention to making sure all the polish is off, your nail bed is nice and clean. Now he's going ahead and buffing my toenails for me, and my skin girl, you saw that, and then just giving it a little dust off. That's alcohol that he actually sprays my toes with, so I really appreciate that. So then the next thing he's doing is putting the base coat for the gel polish. Yeah, this is just the clear base coat for the gel polish. I'm just painting my one foot so far. So yeah, girl, he's now doing the other foot. Foot still on top of the trash can. But you know, he's getting the job done. And he was treating me like a VIP up in here. I had like one for each foot. Normally they like switch it out. But it wasn't really a busy day in there, so he was just using both of them. So they stay in here a couple minutes. Like if you guys don't know about getting, gel polish on your toes, they leave them in there for just a couple minutes so that the gel polish can dry under the UV light. And then here he's put in the color. You guys can see that nice bright color I chose. It's like a true hot pink, actually. Like a true hot pink. You know that hot pink they used to wear like in the 80s? Like that kind of hot pink. He was talking at the time too to his wife. Yeah, the color is super pretty. I really love it. So he's just gonna polish the second foot now with the color on top of the base coat, Just trying to get a better angle for you guys, but this is the best I could have gotten. Plus, I didn't really want him to see that I was recording, so I kind of did it from under the table. I hope it's a good angle for you guys. Now you can see I'm just drying both my feet. And then even after polishing, sometimes it spills over like onto the skin. He went and like filed, just around my skin to make sure, I didn't have any dead dry skin still, as well as any like polish on my skin, which I really appreciated. So yeah, girl, he was hooking me up, okay? He didn't like skimp on the service at all. To be honest with you, he was kind of like hurting my skin, but I really appreciated. He went and sprayed my feet again with the alcohol and then just dried it with the towel. And he's always so nice to put my shoes on for me. See, he put some cuticle oil also. And just hooked me up, There's the alcohol. And all done. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Tell me if you like the color I chose. And I will see you next time. Bye.
We shoot first, the place while shut a grim. Ground plate, let us see Papa rim. Black green.